Question number 1. I am looking my keys. A for B2 C at. Question number 2. The cat jumped the wall. A over B above C up. Question number 3. You like some tea. A do, B would, C are. Question number 4. They English every day. A studies, B studied, C study. Question number 5. Which sentence is correct? A. I didn't understand nothing. B. I didn't understand anything. C. I don't understood anything. Question number 6. Which one is a complete sentence? A. Before going home. B. He finished his work. C. After he ate dinner. Question number 7. Find the correct spelling. A. Committee. B. Committee. C. Committee. Question number 8. He is worried. His exam. A. About. B. For. C. With. Question number 9. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. He is taller than her. B. He is more tall than her. C. He is taller than her. Question number 10. They arrived. The airport early. A to B at C in. Question number 11. The bag is the table. A in, B on, C at. Question number 12. I haven't seen him. Monday. A for B since. C from. Question number 13. She is afraid. Spiders. A of B from C in. Question number 14. Which sentence is correct? A. She speaks very good English. B. She speak very good English. C. She's speaking very good English. Question number 15. The movie was than I expected. A. More good. B. Better. C. Gooder. Question number 16. He is honest man. A. B. And C. The. Question number 17. Choose the correct verb. Either he or his friends coming today. A is, B are, C were. Question number 18. Which sentence has correct punctuation? A. Where are you going? B. Where are you going? C. Where are you going? Question number 19. She is angry. Me. A. At. B. In. C. With. Question number 20. Which sentence is correct? A. This house is mine. B. This house is my. C. This house is me.